Hi guys, it's Miss Tab. I am here to show you how to get your assignments if you could not make it to class or you made it to class but you need to complete your assignments. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I always click the home button here to get to the home screen, which it's already there. So here's our home screen. The next thing that I want to do is I'm going to click on right down here, the Google Classroom app. I am signed in as my son, who is also a part of our class, just for an example, and so I can see what it looks like for you guys to help troubleshoot things for you guys. So the first thing that I'm noticing here is, all these other Google Classrooms. The one that we're going to focus on in this video here is just our first grade Tab Tribe 2020-2021, and down here, every assignment that I have assigned to you will be right under it, okay? So this is where you check to see what assignments that I would like for you to complete. Okay, so I'm going to go in here and I'm going to click on the actual Google Classroom to enter. So I clicked on it and wait for it to come up. So here is our stream. This just has random stuff that I want to tell you. I don't really utilize it as much as maybe some other teachers, but what I do utilize the most is down here at class work. Okay, and I know, guys, this has changed a bunch throughout our e-learning experience together, but I hope to keep it just like this. And if not, I guess another video will come out. So I'm going to click down here at class work. That's what's most important to us. So I clicked on class work. You need to do your attendance every day. Here's our schedule. Here's some extra practice stuff. I'm going to start putting extra practice. If you notice that your child isn't doing well at something, because I'm not there right with them, I only see what's going on in the live videos and what reports I get from our platforms. If you notice that they're not doing well at something, please let me know so I can add some extra resources in under the extra topic, okay? So it will have the days of the week. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So for example, today is Tuesday. So we have our schedule here. We have the assignments that I have assigned to my son, just as an example. So these are the assignments that I have assigned to him. So then I'm going to go down and I'm going to click on some of these reading groups. You only really want to look at the reading groups that you're in. So for example, if you are in the Fox reading group, you click on it and it says half the class was present. So I moved the assignment to the next day because I felt like if the half the class isn't there, then we can't really do much. We did things, but not the actual assignment, okay? So that was not a good example. But a good example would be going to the next day and clicking on the Fox group. So up here, it shows what we did for that day or what we're going to do. Here's what I want you to do. And then here's what you must do. Okay, and if you want to do anything extra, always practicing writing, because we don't explicitly get that too much in e-learning, but so I want you to be able to still practice that. And also writing your name first and last, okay? So that's where you would find it, okay? And then obviously for math and stuff, you would click on either the whale group, the crab group, and the octopus group to see what we did that day. So for example, the whale group is on mission 1, lesson 33. That's when you log into Zearn. That's what I want you to do for that day. So if you're not on lesson 33, you probably have to catch up, okay? And then again, if you get out, it shows everything that I've assigned to you. And on here, you can only see the things that I've assigned to you. You don't see anything else that anyone else is assigned, okay? And I also want to point out here, the difference between this symbol and this symbol. This symbol means material, just stuff for you to look at. I just want you to have information. And then up here, this is the assignment. This is something that I want you to do. So you would just click on it and then just see what it is. Hi, if your group has an assignment to turn in that is paper, take a picture and upload that here. If your group does not have a paper turn-in assignment, then ignore this assignment, okay? I know it says it's worth 10 points. You're not really going to get the 10 points, or the 10 points isn't needed if you don't have an assignment to turn in, okay? So if you needed to turn something in, you would click on the turn in. You would click on, I'm clicking on it up there. I would click on the turn in, and it would open it up in a Google form, which this iPad doesn't have a Google form. And you would just get it done there, okay? Add the attachment, and mark is done, okay? So I hope that that answered some of the questions. And as a recap, I just want you to look at your group stuff, complete your group stuff. You can only see the things that I want you to do, okay? And then anything else. Obviously, reading daily, 10 to 20 minutes. ST Math for 15 minutes, Lexia for 15 minutes as well. All right, everyone's been rocking it, so I hope that this video helped on how to get some information out. All right, well, thank you guys for watching.